In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status in Microsoft Teams, whether you want to appear as a knowing how to quickly adjust your status can be immensely helpful for managing your interactions and letting colleagues or friends know your current availability. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Microsoft Teams website. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be discussing. Once you're on the Teams homepage, direct your eyes to the upper right-hand corner where you'll find your profile picture or initials if you haven't set a photo. Clicking on this area will unveil a drop-down menu. Now take a moment to look at this drop-down menu. It includes several options that relate to your account settings and preferences. Among these, you'll see your current status displayed beneath your name. Typically, it defaults to available when you first log in, but depending on your recent activity, it might show something different like busy or away. With this menu open, focus on your current status display. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a few different statuses you can select. The primary options are available, busy, and away. Let's go over when to use each one. If you're fully available to talk or engage in any activity, keep your status set to available. If you're in a meeting, deep into important tasks, or simply need some interruption-free time, the busy option is more appropriate and signals to others that you prefer not to be disturbed. And if you step away from your desk or need a break, setting your status to away is handy to indicate your absence. After making your selection, give the page a moment. Microsoft Teams will automatically save your new status. You don't need to worry about finding a save button or confirming the change. It's all handled seamlessly. This efficient process allows you to update your visibility in just a matter of clicks, meaning you can get on with whatever you need to focus on. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your status in Microsoft Teams. This simple task is powerful for effective communication and collaboration with your team or contacts. Remember, adjusting your status is a quick and simple way to communicate your availability, ensuring others know when you're ready to engage or when you need some quiet time. Keep practicing this, and soon it will become second nature during your daily interactions on Microsoft Teams.